how technical skills generate better opportunities for your kids. What are technical skills? Technical skills are a set of knowledge and abilities that are used to perform practical tasks in various areas of science, technology, arts, maths, and engineering. Important technical skills every kid should know. This list includes problem solving, project management, creativity, decision-making, programming, automation, computer literacy, data mining, analytical skill, graphic design, and more. Why it is important for kids. The kids in the current times are the generation that is witnessing the advancements in technology and would be competing for careers in the same. These jobs would require them to ace the technical skills. The number of jobs in the future in tech field is going to be innumerable. Therefore, as parents, encouraging kids to master these skills can prepare them for the challenging future ahead. The future prospectus. The world is changing every day. Automation is substituting the old jobs and leading to the creation of new jobs. Educational requirements vary, but technical skills are highly valued. If kids master these technical skills, they have better opportunities in career and life. How can LogiQminds help you? LogiQminds can be your kids' ultimate solution to learn the technical skills under the same roof. The experts at LogiQminds focuses on allowing kids to be creative yet learn about the new age tech skills through a practical approach that make them future ready.